Hi there, students. Vindictive. This is a good word. An adjective, vindictive. Vindictively, the adverb. And yeah, I guess vindictiveness, the noun as well. Okay, if you say somebody is being vindictive, they want to get revenge. Yeah, a vindictive person is somebody has a very strong or unreasonable desire for revenge. Yeah, they want to hurt you as much as possible. Yeah. Okay. So somebody who's vindictive believes you've done them harm and they want to get you back, but they want to get you back as much as possible. Okay. So having the tendency to seek revenge. Yeah. Somebody who's looking for revenge. Yeah. And I guess we could also use it meaning to want to hurt somebody, to be very spiteful. So you could probably use it without the revenge bit. Somebody who's being vindictive. Yeah. It's characterized by spite, by hate, by detest. So he vindictively beat the boy till he bled. Yeah. Let's see. When a relationship splits up, both parties can be very vindictive towards each other. Okay, they want to hurt each other as much as possible to get back. Yeah, so showing a revengeful spirit. Very unforgiving, malicious, spiteful, resentful, malignant. Yeah, venomous. So a vindictive husband, desperate for revenge, full of spleen. His attitude towards me is so vindictive. Yeah, I wish he would just be a little bit more reasonable. Or maybe one of these films where a vindictive criminal is out to get the judge who sentenced him unfairly. Yeah, seeking revenge, being vindictive. Yeah, so that effectively this just looking for revenge. In law, vindictive is defined as looking for compensation, but more than the value lost. So yeah, he smashed my car, and he's got to pay 5,000 to replace the car. But then vindictive would be a punishment imposed on top. Yeah, so, and another 5,000 for the distress that you've caused. Okay, so it's something above and beyond, legally above and beyond the actual loss. He's a character known for his vindictiveness. An unforgiving nature who wants to get even. Yeah, no matter what the situation, no matter maybe even if it's a Pyrrhic victory. Okay, so somebody who's unforgiving, they're not going to forgive and forget. So yeah, he's a horrible, nasty, vindictive person. When the workers went on strike, the bosses were vindictive to them when they came back to work. It's probably illegal, but probably very possible as well. Okay, so vindictive. Yeah, don't be such a vindictive person. Formality. Vindictive. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I would say informally, maybe not very good. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, formal writing, very good in word indeed. And then as to origin, it comes from vindicta in Latin, meaning vengeance, from vindico, to claim, to vindicate, vindex, the defender. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So vindictive, vindictively, vindictiveness.